Welcome to the ASTRO. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about a technique called spectral energy distribution fitting or SED, fitting or SED modeling of a galaxy. Right. So, uh, this SED modeling is used to extract galaxy, say galaxy stellar mass, gas mass, dust mass, age of the galaxy, and then star formation rate of the galaxy, and density and other stuff. Okay, using your model from observational data. So let's go to the website first, then we'll talk about more. So type here CIGALE modeling. Okay, so CIGALE modeling galaxy. So here you can see that the software is called CIGALE, or it's a PCIGALE. Okay, so it's a Python, and this code has been written in the Python. Okay, Python language, and it has been developed to study the galaxy evolution by comparing your fitted model with the observed one from your photometry of the galaxy. Okay, so it takes data from your X-ray, far UV to infrared to radio data. Okay, so here the website, you can click on that. So click on that. So here you can see that here you can download this file. So click on download, new tab, right? So go below. So here the latest version. So click on that. So here you can see that it's downloading, right? So let it be downloaded, and then you can go for the documentation, right? So documentation, you can see here. There is a documentation I found here. So click on that. It's a SQL manual, right? So here's a SQL manual. So it contains everything about how to install, to how to run, and how to interpret your data from this SED fitting. Okay, so we'll see this later after downloading this this file. Okay, the software, and you can also see the paper, right? So you can see here there is a repository on the GitLab. So click on that. So you can also see these are stuff here. You have like you have code examples and etc, and also the readme file. Okay, so and manual is there. So and also there's a paper on the CIGALE module, right? CIGALE. So click on that. So if you go below here, you can see this is a main paper in which they have explained everything about the modules, different modules to fit a galaxy SED. So here you can see that. So click on that here. Bokwin ETL 19. So click on that. So this is a paper which will be very useful to fit your SED. So you can read this paper completely and understand every modules and how to interpret the data. So this is the paper, right? So you can read it. It's a 33 page papers. So you need to go through all the modules, right? So you have different modules here. You can see. You have these modules for gas, dust, reddening, extinction. Okay, so we'll see it later. So basically, what it does, SEAGALE basically takes input as your redshift of the galaxy, your flux and flux error, and rest of the things it does on its own. So, and it gives output of the galaxy as a galaxy, stellar mass, old age population, young age population, dust mass, gas mass, SFR uh, for young and late burst galaxies, and also the modal CT. So, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.